Yo, what up everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Make sure you guys subscribe and follow. Give me them likes or dislikes and comments down below. I'll put the item description, the link to the item on Amazon in the description below. So make sure you guys check that out. This is about 70 bucks. Although I did buy two of them. I bought two of them because buying only one handheld is kind of useless. You need at least one other one. Now, this BAOFENG radio is the BF-F8HP Pro. Has tri-band for amateur radio, I guess. VHF, 220 megahertz UHF, 8 watts of output. Has a USB-C, GPS, aviation, AM, RX, FM radio. And then that's kind of how it looks like. Before we get into the box, let's show you guys how it looks like on the other sides of the box. All right, so that was the front, and then the sides. Okay, now I'll read this in the back portion of the package. It's a portable two-way radio. Includes two antennas. I hear the antennas on these that they come with BAOFENG, like the stock ones, suck. So you guys might want to purchase a separate antenna that's kind of better. Includes two antennas. Features and functions: it has a 1.77 TFT screen, Type-C direct charging and charging stand, high-capacity lithium-ion battery, dual-band handheld receiver, GPS positioning function, aviation band reception, dual watch, dual reception, broadcast FM radio receiver, 78-108 megahertz, through 108 megahertz, 50 CT/CSS tones, 105 DCS codes. Don't know what that is. Someone down in the comments below, please educate me. 1,000 channels, 10 zones, 100 channel zone, NOAA weather alert, built-in CT/CSS, DCS tones, and dual independent zone control. This might be pronounced as Noah. It says package and product designed in the USA, but made in China. Okay, kind of confusing, but BAOFENGtech.com. You guys could look up their website and research on the company and all their different handhelds or all their radios. Excuse me. Now let's get to the unboxing. Let's see, where is the... How do you open this without tearing it apart? So, here we go. So it's gonna be on the right side. So the right side, if you open it up through here. All right, here we go. And even though the picture's like this way, the radio is kind of opposite. But whatever. BF-F8HP Pro instruction manual. Okay, so this is gonna be very important to have. I hear they've created like there's some people that wrote books explaining on how you could take advantage of these types of radios. Well, I obviously did my research before purchasing it. These, I guess, they're very popular amongst like the communication radio, whatever community, whatever the name is called for your guys' community. A lot of you guys say that you can't really go wrong starting out with a BAOFENG, and then further research into the BAOFENGs. This one is kind of a more recent model that has some of the advanced bells and whistles, so this will last me a little bit longer before either replacing it or adding a different one to the ecosystem. A lot of them say that once you get a radio, like you're never really gonna discard it. You're always just gonna keep it. As long as it still works, you can still use it as a backup, emergency, or as a loan. You could let someone borrow it. Yeah, you never have too many radios, right? And I believe this is one of the antennas right here. I'll put this back in the bag. Let's see what else is in here. The charger stand, and it looks like this goes directly into an outlet. Put that off to the side. What else is in there? It looks like a microphone, so it attaches to the side. It's like the earpiece, so you can listen and talk to people. And this looks like a lanyard, so you guys can wrap it around your guys' hand. All right, and a clip, so you can clip it onto your pocket or your pants or something else that you could grab onto. And here's the segment antenna. All right, I don't know if it's the same exact antenna or is it? I think it's shorter. Let me put it up against the other one. Yeah, it's a shorter one. But apparently these antennas, like the stock ones, kind of suck. So I don't know how true or untrue that is. So I'm gonna just use what I have and then eventually upgrade if need be. But yeah, put this off the side. Looks like this is the only thing left. So it's a Type-C, Type-A. Connect this to a charging block, I guess. Or you actually, this is like, so you could program it, right? Yeah, you could connect this to a laptop or computer or cell phone, and you can upgrade it. There's nothing else in the box, you guys. All right, so let's set this box off to the side. Bring our radio. Let's get a little close up. All right. Apologize for the barking outside. The puppies out there playing with my nephew. All right, here's the battery. And also apologize for coughing. I'm kind of sick. All right, trash. This battery right here. So lithium-ion battery, model BL-F8HP, DC 7.4 volt, and then 25 milliamps of battery, or it gives 18.5 watt hours. Charge limit voltage 8.4 volts. Caution in use: do not disassemble. Do not dispose of fire. Do not change of charge. I don't know what charge battery in hazardous location. That one's kind of confusing. Do not short circuit the terminals. Must be recycled or disposed of properly. Recycling facilities may not exist in all areas. Made in China. Do not pass go. Do not collect $200. Anyways, all right. Now, before I show you guys this, let's see. It has the model number, FCC ID, SN number. So I'm not going to show you guys this. I'm going to cover it. All right. And that's how it looks like in the back, right? That's where the battery goes into. And because I know a little bit about computer science and engineering and stuff, never give out your devices like all the information on the device. Like the model number is okay, BF-F8HP Pro. Like anything that is already publicly like dispersed out there, that information you could just give out, even like the voltage and stuff. But like IDs and stuff for your particular radio and stuff, don't give that out. I'm pretty sure it's like a cell phone, like the or the IP address on your computer when you're on the internet. You don't want anyone and everyone to know because they can hack you. Yeah, that's a no-go. Now I'm gonna connect this. Let's see. It goes in like this, right? And then to press it down from here, do I slide it? Let's see. All right, there we go. And then back here, there's a USB Type-C like insert, like you could charge it directly on the radio. Has a plus and a minus, so when you guys put it into the thing, obviously like it's gonna be facing towards you when you put it in. Now let's see. All right, there we go. I try to like put it a little bit here, but it's just right here. You can see like a little lip right there. And it goes into these little, I don't know what you call them, grooves. These are grooves and these are, I don't know what. But here is the radio, you guys. All right, and then you can charge it right there. You can charge it with your regular Type-C chargers for your cell phones or whatever. And there's like a little protector, screen protector on there. All right. Now let's turn it on. Twist this way, it turns it on. And then that's where your antenna goes. That is a flashlight that you could probably turn on. Where's the flashlight button? I think this one. I have no idea. Well, there you go. You turn it on. I'm not gonna put it on the antenna. Just imagine there's an antenna there, and then look, it's fully colored. I do not know how to work a radio. I'm not gonna pretend that I can. Off here on the side. Let's see how I can remove it. All right, so that is where you put in like the little microphone or microphone speaker or handheld. You could purchase a bunch of stuff like of these two, I don't know what you call them, auxiliary ports. But you put it in there and then you could like stretch it out. You know what I'm talking about, like the handheld that you press to talk. It has its own speaker on it. It has like a coil type of wiring. It's like what the police use and any other like official like securities or let's see, any freaking emergency responders that use radios, but pretty much everyone that has radios has like certain accessories to it. So I think you guys understand what I'm trying to say. Those things right there, right? You could also just press the push to talk button. Let's see, this is the squelch button. Basically you press this button and you can hear stuff, and then this will light up green. Anything else, yeah, I wouldn't be able to explain to you guys. This is not a review video. This is just an unboxing. All right, so there you guys go. Let's see, these are the accessories that come with it. 2 antennas. I'll keep the plastic there. A clip, right? Maybe I should attach the clip. Looks like you gotta screw them in to here, so I'll do that a different time. So there's the clip, the lanyard. Let's see where the lanyard would go. On the top or the bottom? Probably the bottom. Good question. I don't think I need the lanyard though, or want the lanyard on there. But the clip, I do. I would want the clip on there, and I'll just put it like on my pants pocket or the inside of my jeans or whatever. That'll be good enough. The cable and the little headset, right? All right, you guys, that's it for the video. Again, I bought 2 of these because one is kind of pointless to having it. If you have no one else to talk to, what's the point of getting a radio? Unless you have a bunch of people that have their own radio already, then that's a different story. But yeah, if you're starting to collect stuff for your own setup, might as well have at least 2 radios. All right, you gotta know what to do. Give me them likes, dislikes, comments down below. Make sure you subscribe and follow, and I'll see you guys next time.